Alright, good morning again. I just did the review for the coffee. Now what I guess my breakfast order. So what I get from McDonald's is a spicy McChicken on a biscuit. I forgot to add bacon. I forgot to get butter. Usually I do, or I started doing that. And of course, a hash brown. Let's go with the hash brown. Now spicy McChicken on a biscuit. That's my breakfast order. That's my review on the coffee with canned creams. That's crazy. That's too much. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, I was recording it with my phone and I went out of space. I wanted to say thank you for everyone that takes the time to watch my videos all the way through. You guys are the real ones. I'm gonna run out of space again. But thank you for supporting me. And until the next one, peace out. Have a good day. I will be live around 2 hours from now. So hope to see you there. Hope to see you there.